Hi guys, if you're watching this video, get ready to learn what Web 3.0 is and what it means for the future of crypto. First, we need to understand previous versions of the internet. According to most experts, the internet can be divided into three versions, which are Web.1, Web.2, and the latest version, Web.3. The first version of the internet was Web 1.0, which can be traced from around 1991 to 2004. The internet was mainly an information source and facts, all hyperlinked to each other. During this time, the internet was not profitable and ads were not often targeted. Web 2.0 is said to be the second version of the internet. This version of the internet is highly interactive. On top of getting information from websites, these websites also get information from users via interactions. In essence, people are the product as they browse the internet. Their clicks and online activity are collected and used by marketing firms via complex machine learning. The data gained from machine learning is used to send highly targeted and personalized ads. Finally, we have Web 3.0, which is the latest version of the internet. However, Web 3.0 is still mainly hypothetical. Most of the internet today still exists as Web 2.0. The main unique aspect of Web 3.0 is that it is decentralized. It emphasizes ownership of data by the users instead of being owned by a few major corporations. Web 3.0 entails a future of the internet where large corporations are controlled by DAOs, which are decentralized autonomous organizations. It simply means that huge companies with a large online footprint will not be owned or controlled by a few individuals. Instead, users of the internet will be in charge of these mega organizations. They will directly participate in the operation, creation, and governance of the online organizations. Cryptocurrencies and Web 3.0. Another important concept within Web 3.0 is the presence of cryptocurrencies. In the current model, all payments go through a few centralized payment processors who also collect huge amounts of data from their users. With Web 3.0, it is envisioned that the main mode of payment on the internet will be cryptocurrencies. Besides facilitating payments, crypto will be used for governance purposes. In essence, it will work in the same way as stockholders have voting rights in a large company. When will 3.0 happen? Web 3.0 is still years away from becoming a reality and replacing the current Web 2.0 model. However, efforts are already being made by companies such as the Brave browser, which gives users control over their data. With Web 3.0, users can finally have control of their data. In essence, it will mean that the users of the internet will be the owners of the internet. Only they will have the ability to monetize their private data while still maintaining a degree of privacy, thanks to the use of blockchain technology. It will also make it harder to censor users of the internet when they disagree with mainstream views. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos.